Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a review on some new things. I have a new palette to talk to you about, the Perception palette, along with 3 of the lipsticks, and I am going to swatch all 3 to show you how they would look. And then I also got a sample size of the Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation and concealer. It's like a 2-in-1. I got a sample size of it because I didn't know what my shade was and to give it a try. So in this video I'm going to be trying all of that, and this is the look that I came up with. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, go ahead and keep on watching. Alright you guys, let's go ahead and get started with this video. So as you can tell by the title, we're going to be just trying some new stuff. One of the new things I want to be trying is another palette. So this palette is not new, but it's new for me, so that's all I care about. And it is by none other than Shayla. Where's that? Shayla, who goes by Makeupshayla here on YouTube. And she is somebody that I absolutely adore, absolutely love, and actually inspired me to want to get on YouTube. Well, she's one of the people, but she's top 5 for real. And I can't get that. Woo! This palette, it's so freaking darn cute. Would you look at it? I love it. Are great. So it comes with 16 eyeshadows. Yeah. Okay, and along with the palette, also have 3 of the lipsticks. It also came with the lip gloss, but I didn't get the lip gloss. That'll be my next purchase. It's in 3 colors, and the 3 colors named Ooh and Come On Sis, and another one called Quickie. So like I said, this video I want to be trying some new things along with the palette and the lipsticks. I have 3 samples because y'all know I'm the queen of samples. I gotta try out a product before I buy a $36, $38, $45 whatever price foundation. So I have samples of the Estee Lauder. I got 2 because I'm kind of like in between these 2. I'll put the correct name down in the description box below. And that one's in the number 24 Golden. I don't know if I said that or not already. And in the Estee Lauder, I have the color Rich Caramel 5W2 and the Sandalwood 6W1, and these are both the Double Wear Stay in Place makeup foundation. So I've actually tried the Estee Lauder, but I find my shade. They have a lot of shades, but I guess my shade is just kind of weird. But so I know I like those formulas, so I want to give the Clinique foundation a try. Now the lady at the counter did say this one is a full coverage foundation, and she said, judging on my skin, I don't need a full coverage foundation, but I like to do the most sometimes. And sometimes if I know I have to do my makeup like early in the morning, but I need it to last all day, full coverage is kind of the thing to do. So, but anyway, I'm gonna give it a try and see how that goes. All right, so for a transition shade, we're gonna go into Culture. Turn it around. We're gonna go into Culture. This nice tanny shade right here. That blended quite fast. Alright, okay. Nice. I like this color. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with a smaller blending brush for Revenge, which is this color right here. So that's nice. Yeah, this is a perfect brush for this because I want it to stay like right here. I don't want it to go all over the place. And we're gonna bring it in. Ooh, I'm so nervous about how this eye look is gonna come out, because I have to go get my daughter from school. So not only am I gonna show up to my daughter's school in a full face of makeup and have all these moms looking at me like, where she thinks she going, but I'm also gonna have this green eyeshadow on my eye that's just gonna be like, look at me. Funny. I'm gonna first go in with my finger, and again we're gonna do the color IE. I'm gonna focus it like right here in the middle and towards the outer. Oh, that's pretty. So I had to do a second layer for it to really pop. I like that. I'm all for the color nowadays, y'all. All for the color. Stepping outside my comfort zone. Okay, so I'm liking it. Kind of looking like kind of bright. Oh, a little bit of fallout on my face, but that's why I don't do my eyeshadow first. On my inner corner, I'm going to do TF, and I know what that stands for. I'm not gonna say it, but we're gonna do that on the inner corner just to brighten it up just a smidget. Ooh, you know what I'm gonna do? Spray my brush. I'm gonna spray my brush for it to really pop. Just gonna use a Garnier Soothing Facial Mist. Spray the side a little bit. Some more of that. There we go. Sticking a lot better. Go into played out like I said, which is this color right here. It's like a dark, I don't know, is that brown? It looks brown, or like a deep purple. Not sure, but it's dark, and I want to darken up my crease. So like I said, I'm gonna start. There we go. And I'm just gonna build that up, blend it up and out. Don't look at my hand. This is what happens when you don't know what eye look you're trying to go for, and you're trying to test out different looks. Never mind that white one, that's the primer. But okay, so let's go ahead and start on the face. Today I'm going to use a sponge. Do not judge my struggle sponge. And again, we're going to go in with the Clinique sample, number 24 Golden. Let's see if that works. So because it is in this little container, we're going to use this Morphe G41 brush just to scoop it out and put it on my face. Then I'm going to blend it out with the sponge. Really hope that this doesn't oxidize and like turn orange. Just do not want to look like an Oompa Loompa. So I'm not trying to cover every single part of my face with the brush. Blend it out. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know, y'all. I hope this change colors. At first I'm saying, oh, I hope it don't change orange, but it's just really glossy right now. I don't know. I don't know. But maybe it's because I'm used to a matte foundation. My Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. I'm just used to that foundation. I put it on, it goes on, and then it's automatically matte. I'm like used to all this shine. So definitely will be powdering. It's okay. It's okay. I keep staring at my face in the mirror and in the camera, and I just see shine and motion. So it looks like it's finally coming together to be my actual shade. Looks like it's kind of like toning down and whatever, but we gonna see. We are gonna see. Still don't know how I feel about the color of this foundation. We gonna see. We gonna see. Okay, so after powder and contouring and whatnot, it looks better. Okay, so since this video was mainly about the eyes and the new foundation, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of the look off camera and then come back and give you my final thoughts. Okay. Alright, so the eyes are done. Take this off. And more up here. I'm going to show you the lip combination that I've been doing since I got the set. So I'm just going to line my lips with a brown liner like so. Okay. And I kind of bring it in slightly. Well, not slightly, that's more than slightly. I bring it into about this middle part of my lips. Then I'm going to take Come On Sis, the lipstick from the collection. I started off by putting it just in the middle where I left the space at. And then I blend it out with my lips to spread it all across my lips. Tap just a little bit more on. And go back in with the brown liner. I just love a pink, brown, pinky nude lip in with that Anastasia Beverly Hills color and the color amber. Looks like this. It's like a nude. I want to say it's more a peach. This is more of a peach nude than a pink. So I like to go in with this just a little bit in the middle. And then smear it around. She's sexy. I love this lip combination. So pretty, and it goes real well with the eye look. So, okay, so the next color we're going to try. What do you want to do? Ooh. Yeah. Let's go ahead and do Ooh. With the brown pencil again. actually haven't tried this one on my lips. So let's see. Okay. In the color Ooh. Or let me say it like her. Ooh. Nope. We're not. We're gonna leave that to Shayla. But this looks good. This looks really, really good. Okay, so now for this one, Quickie, that's this really light shade. So definitely gotta go a little ham on the liner. I wanna make sure I darken it up. I'm probably gonna line my whole lip. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna line my whole lip. Line my whole lip, and now go in with the Quickie. See? That's not bad either. See? You can really do any shade of nude. Just gotta have a good... Now let me wipe off the lipstick because I don't want the liner all on the lipstick. Yeah, so it doesn't really matter what skin tone you are or anything like that. You can pull off just about any nude color with the right lip liner. Just to be fair, let me show you how it looks by itself. So see, this might be, you know, a no, because it's a no for me because there's no lip liner. There's nothing to balance out how bright it is. So find you a good lip liner. This one, where did it just go? This one, my little ride or die handy dandy NYX. I think it's just a regular brown. Oh, espresso. NYX espresso. Pair it with any type of lip that I want. So yeah. Now for the foundation, the Clinique. This one had me really guessing, but you know, sometimes foundations have to oxidize, so once the air hits it, it may take it some time to warm up to your skin. So that's what it looks like it did here. It actually looks really, really good. Yeah, it looks really, really good. I think the only thing I can say about the foundation that I wasn't a big fan of was the fact that it is oily. It was really shiny when I put it on. So, but that's not a bad thing. It's really good for people who have dry skin. And then it's also good for like right now, the winter time. So I don't necessarily need a matte foundation. I prefer it, especially for the summertime, but for now and the way the air is and my skin is, this foundation would be like the perfect type of foundation for me. So I will definitely be getting another the big bottle of this one. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and my review on the Perception palette, the foundation, and the lipsticks from Shayla's collaboration with Colourpop. So thank you guys so much for your support, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.